Are you nervous?
Yeah, I'm nervous.
Yeah, I was nervous when I chopped out my hair too.
Not like I'm nervous I won't like it, but I'm nervous for the change maybe.
Yeah.
8 years since my hair was shoulder length.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad that you always ask me to do these things.
You won't say no. Yeah, dude, come on.
You want to do the first cat?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Can I reach between my fingers there? I'm going back there.
I know.
There's spot there. There.
Oh god. Cool, I already love it.
Looks really good.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
It looks like there's cotton candy everywhere.
Because my hair?
Yeah.